Your habits are not random. Every single one, good or bad, follows the same loop. And once you understand the loop, you can change any habit deliberately. The loop is this: a cue triggers a craving. The craving produces a routine. The routine delivers a reward. And then the next cue arrives. So, want to break a habit? You don't fight the routine, you change it. Because the cue and the craving will still be there. What you can control is what you do in response to them. So, stress eating. The cue is stress, the craving is comfort, the routine is eating. So, find a different routine that delivers genuine comfort. A short walk, a conversation with someone you like, 3 slow deep breaths. Same cue, same craving, different routine. Your environment is delivering cues constantly. The question is whether they're pointing you towards the person you want to be or away from them. Spend 5 minutes a day mapping one habit that you want to change. Cue, craving, routine, reward, draw it out. Imagine getting more done in 25 minutes than most people manage in 2 hours. Here's how. Pick one task, not 3, 1, and then close every tab that isn't relevant to it. Put your phone down, face down, set a timer for 25 minutes. Then work on the task completely on just that one thing. And when the timer goes off, stop. Take a 5-minute break, walk around, maybe make a drink, let your mind wander. Then come back for another 25 minutes. This is called the Pomodoro technique. And the reason it works is simple, because generally speaking, our brains are not designed for endless unfocused effort, but for sprints followed by recovery. So when you work in focused blocks with real breaks, your concentration sharpens. For most people, the 25-minute block also makes starting easier. It's not overwhelming to say, I'll focus for 25 minutes. It's just 25 minutes. Try it with your next task today. One task, timer on, everything else off. Now, ever wondered why so many people fail at changing a habit? Well, they start too big. People decide to exercise for an hour every day, meditate for 20 minutes, all from a standing start. Within 2 weeks, they've missed 3 days, lost momentum, and quietly abandoned the whole thing. Here's what actually works. Make the habit so small that you feel awkward not to do it. Want to meditate? 2 minutes, not 20. Want to exercise? 10 minutes, not an hour, 10. Want to read more? 1 page, not a chapter, just 1. Now, this might seem ridiculously small, but that's exactly why it works. Because what you're actually building in the first 30 days isn't just the habit itself, it's the identity, the evidence that you're someone who shows up every day without negotiation. Once that identity is established, once it's just what you do, you can extend. So start small, show up every single day, and let 30 days pass.